equals to 7. So 2y plus z equals to 14. Right? So input the value. Therefore, x plus p equals to 17 minus 14. Right? That is 3. Therefore, x plus p equals to 3. But what is x plus p? 80. So that's what we want. So that's the required answer. 3. Next, in the given figure, this figure, PT touches the circle at R, okay, whose center is O, okay. Diameter SQ when produced meets PT at P, means this PT at P, this SQ. Now this is the diameter given, right? Okay. Then given angle SPR equals to X, SPRX, okay, and QRP equals to Y. Then which of the following is true? These 4, okay. So what we have to do, don't focus on these 4 options now. Focus on something else, means what is given, okay. So in angle QRS, it is given as R is 90. Why? It's not given actually. See here, QS is a diameter. Angle subtended by a diameter on a circle is always a right angle. So this is the angle subtended. Subtended means what? The endpoints are the same as the endpoints of the diameter, and the third point is somewhere on the circle. Always, that is important. It should be on the circle. So it's always a right angle, right? Therefore, in triangle PRS, okay, angle PRS equals to y plus 90, right? Why y plus 90? Let's see this. See, there is a theorem called as alternate segment theorem. Now what is that? Firstly, what is a segment? See here, understand the difference between the sector and segment. Chord is easy. This DE is a chord. Segment means which is. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.